Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to another subscription box unboxing. Today I am so excited about this adorable box. This is the pink box and it's a hair accessories subscription. You might hear someone squeaking, wanting to come up and see what's in the box. So here's my puppy Dexter. He loves boxes. I think that a hair accessories box is so unique, but so fun. I was trying to remember the last time I bought hair accessories and it has been a while. So I'm really excited to step up my hair accessories. And thank you so much to Pink Box for sending me this box for free. You know that I like to let you know when I'm sent products for free. So this is not a sponsored video. I am just so excited to unbox this. But before I do, I want to give a little bit more information. So it costs $15 a month and you get about 10 or more hair accessories each month. And they're around a theme, which I think is so fun. I have the February box here and it's a floral theme, which I love. I can't wait to see what the products are. The price can actually come out to even less than $15 if you do a prepay plan. So if you do a 3-month plan, it comes out to $13.33. If you do the 6-month plan, it's $12.50 a month, or the 12-month plan is $12.50 a month. I always sign up for multiple months if it saves me money. I don't know why, I just always do that. If you do one of those prepay plans, you're guaranteed 10 or more accessories each month. And the box retail is around $50. And then I have a code that'll get you 50% off your first box. It's PinkBox50. So I'll have all this linked in the description down below if you're interested in subscribing. But without further ado, let's see what comes in the box. I think this is such adorable packaging. Oh, I love it. And then the sticker on the box here says, "It's a good day to have a good day." Dexter is so interested in what's in this box. All right, oh my gosh, I am so excited. On top here, I see some scrunchies, and I love scrunchies. I'm so glad that scrunchies are in style because I've always been wearing scrunchies and I haven't even thrown out any of my old scrunchies really from when I was younger. So I love scrunchies and these are so cute. With the floral print. Ooh, this one has the ribbon. Now that's a trendy scrunchie. They seem like really good quality. Some stickers, very cute. Oh, next is such a cute headband. You know, I'm gonna put this on. I love this. I'm loving this floral theme. I feel like it's so spring, which I'm so ready for spring. Oh, and I feel like the floral prints on here are very like broad age range. They're not too cutesy little girl, but they also could be worn for a little girl or they could be worn by someone my age, someone older. In this next bag, oh my gosh, I love this. It's a clip bow. I am so excited about this. This is so cute. And I love doing the half up and then putting the bow in the back. This is adorable. And it's like the nice material. Here's another scrunchie with the kind of ribbon scarf, hair tie, hair scarf look. Love that. There is so much in this box. Oh my gosh, these adorable flower hair clips. I love a flower hair clip and these are so cute. I love the color. Oh my gosh. This is making me feel like a little bit nostalgic for when I would wear more hair accessories, but it's also very inspiring and making me want to put more effort into accessorizing my hair. Oh, I love this. This is like a, what do they call them, a claw clip, and this is so pretty. The gold and the blue flowers. Look at that. I love this. I love claw clips. Claw clips and scrunchies. Those are the two hair accessories that I wear every day. I use those like to put my hair back or to just quickly style my hair. Let's see what's in this. So many cute little bags. Ooh, I love this headband. This is so fun. It's the kind of like the knotted one. I love this print. And then this one, more like the classic elastic with the pretty kind of, what am I calling these? Like ribbon? Oh my gosh. And last but not least, I think these ones might be my favorite, but it's really hard to say because I love all of these. This is so much fun. And I love how many products you get. It's like endless. But look at these clips. Oh my gosh. This one with the hearts. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And then this one is like a pearl bow on kind of like a bobby pin. I love these. I would need to do a better job of putting that in, but I love that. That is so cute. Let's try the other one on. Ooh, a very nice secure hold to this one. So cute. Oh my gosh. And I feel like you get so much in this box. I've mentioned that so many times, but I really feel like you get so much value in this. Like it's definitely worth the $15 or less that you end up paying. So let me do a recap of all of the different hair accessories because I know I just pulled out so many. But first we have this heart clip that I love. I'm going to keep it in my hair. The pearl bow clip, the ribbon elastic, this beautiful headband. I'm so excited to wear that. The flower clips. You know, I just want to wear all of these at once, and I know that would look a little crazy, but I just love all of these. Then this blue flower claw clip, the ribbon scrunchie with this beautiful green print, oh, the bow clip, so excited. This headband, 2 styles of headbands, another gorgeous elastic with the ribbon, and then a perfect throw on go-to, a little blue print elastic. So much fun. Oh my gosh, this box makes me so happy. And I feel like anyone in your life that likes to style their hair with cute hair accessories would love this and be so happy about it too. Like, this is such a great hair accessory collection. And to think like you could get this each month and change up your look by just adding a simple hair accessory. I just feel like that is so fun and a great way to be stylish. Something that I don't think about enough, but I think it would really just take my look to the next level by throwing in one of these hair accessories every day. So I'd love to know in the comments down below, what are your favorite types of hair accessories and how you like to wear them in your hair? And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.